Today I'm going to be taking you through the months of the year in Ateso. The months of the year in Ateso are divided into wet season, dry season, and the season of plenty. The first season I'm going to be talking about is the dry season. But Opu is for December. That is when there are very many celebrations in the society. The next month is Orara. Orara it's when the trees shed off their leaves. Then we go to Omuk. That is when the trees gain back their leaves. And then we go to Okwang. That is the month where most children have a white, like a corner kid. The season I'm going to be talking about is the season of plenty. The first month I'm going to be talking about is Otiko. That is when people have big stomachs. Like you see someone moving and their stomach is big. The next month I'm going to be talking about is Otibar. That is when there are large homesteads and people are rich. There is plenty of food, everything. Then we have Osoko Sokoma. That is when people go very early to harvest grass. Then we have Osuban, which is for ceremonies and sacrifices. Lastly, we have the wet season. For doing it, it's the season of wine. Next month is Opedele. Opedele is when children are hungry, they have flat stomachs. Then we go to Omaruk. Omaruk is the season of harvesting mushrooms, especially the big size mushrooms. And lastly, we have Omodoko Kimon. That is the season where mingling sticks are very dirty because people are cooking everywhere. There is a lot of food, so every mingling stick in the household will be dirty with food. Thank you so much for watching. Those are the months of the year in Ateso.